Welcome to Beaumont Textiles, the home of soft furnishings. We're proud to be partnering with Parks Lane Interiors, installing our new merchandising gallery units, offering our complete made-to-measure and cut-length services. Our professional team will clear your site and prepare it for installation of our custom designed features, providing flexibility to fit within any environment to create a welcoming showroom environment for customers to browse the diverse choice of designs. Our collection is vast, with over 3,000 fabric choices, with entry price points to ensure anyone can find a creative solution that'll fit their personal budget. The made-for-you tailored service offers custom-made curtains, blinds, cushions and other accessories within 10 working days, using our professional workrooms and skilled staff to create your custom requirements in time, on budget and delivering beyond expectation. Our unique merchandising units can be used on perimeter walls or in freestanding situations, offering flexibility, versatility, respecting the requirements of any given location. Whilst mini curtains are a key merchandising element of any gallery installation, pattern books and hangers also form a key part of a successful operation. So here is the finished installation, completed within 6 hours, ready for business, looking fresh, professional and sharp. If you'd like more information on becoming a partner with Beaumont Textiles and sharing in our journey, please contact our friendly team in Chorley, and we'll be pleased to help you with your personal requirements and visit your site to access your requirements and prepare quotation.